Kid possibly back at again with another video. Make sure the first thing you do is like, comment, and subscribe. That's major. I feel like I shouldn't have to keep saying it because y'all should be subscribed already. Come on. But in this video, it's gonna be a little Saturday reset clean with me. I've been trying to clean my room for so long. I'm the type of person to put away a few things and be laid out in my bed like this, because I just get so tired. Cleaning is so tiring to me. I can't wait to hire a maid because this is dead. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm watching my little Netflix show. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get this room clean, wash some clothes and stuff like that so I can sage my room and get ready to zen for the next week coming up. Okay? Okay. room is finished. I never did a finished room tour when I moved in, so I actually will do a side-by-side of how my room looked before I moved in. So this is how it looks. That can be a little, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. All of my, I have like every product you could think of. It's ridiculous. But yeah, don't mind my seat. I have to get that together. But this is my room. I got a little bit of stuff over there, Amazon packages that I need to take back. So I put it right there so I don't forget. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm happy my room is finally clean. Cause whoo baby, it was dirty for weeks, y'all. When I tell you weeks, I literally mean weeks. I just life happened and just kicked my butt. But it's clean. I'm gonna try to keep it clean for a while. And I'm going to try going into this new week to clean as I go and stop just keeping stuff on the floor. But like by the end of my day, you know, at least have the clothes folded up and put away to some extent. But yes, the room is clean. So I hope this was a relaxing video to watch me get my life together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, this is my favorite part of my room. This is my favorite. Ignore this. I just washed my face. This is my favorite. I did this little DIY mirror. I did not buy it like this. I did it myself. It had to have been under $50. I don't know exactly how much it was, but either way, I did that. If you want to know how I did it, let me know. But yeah, make sure I like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.